Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today, and today is the day I've been waiting for all winter long. You know, I busted my tail out here last fall, grading, leveling, seeding, fertilizing, watering. I've nurtured it all through the fall, and I've nurtured it through the winter time, and come out here and leveled it out this spring, and it all leads up to this one day. Yeah, I got a push mower striping video, and it striped up pretty good, but nothing like what you're getting ready to see. I can't stand it no more. Let's start mowing. Oh, you see that spot right there? When Roland come over to show me that new battery outlet, that was my bad. I didn't check the height, and I scalped that down, but it's all right. It's just grass. It'll grow back. Hey, this is what the hard work, the dedication, the persistence, the grit, all that stuff that goes into what you put into your yard. This is that moment in time where you say, holy cow, look at it. So this is the first spring after the fall renovation for this bluegrass, and I am absolutely ecstatic about it. I think it looks drop dead gorgeous. I'm gonna play around with the mowing height. This is cut at 1 inch, and I might go to 1 1/4 and then 1 1/2 and back to 1. I'm just gonna play around with the mowing heights a little bit just to see what I like best. Again, I'm going for playability for the kids, for the wiffle ball field, and it's a yard. Okay, we can't forget that part. It's my yard out here, and I want it to look a certain way and look good. So I'm gonna mess around with the height of cut and see what I like best. So hey, I hope you have enjoyed the first reel mow out here. I know I have. I can't get over it. It looks some kind of good. The hard work and dedication you put into it. Again, this is that moment in time where you're like, holy cow. So as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I really do. I'll check you later.